Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to install T-Life app and set up your T-Mobile account. Full activation walkthrough. Step 1. Install the T-Life app. Search for T-Life in the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and download it. Once it is downloaded, open the application. Step 2. Create your T-Mobile ID. Tap Login on the app welcome screen and select Sign up or get a T-Mobile ID. Now enter your T-Mobile phone number or home internet account number and provide your first name, last name, and the email address. Now choose a strong password for your account security. Step 3. Verify your identity. Check your email or text messages for a 6-digit verification code. Now enter this code into the T-Life app to confirm your identity. Provide the last 4 digits of the account holder's SSN if prompted. Link any additional lines or internet accounts to your profile. Step 4. Complete account activation. Set up Face ID, Touch ID, or a PIN for fast login. Accept the T-Mobile terms and conditions, then choose your billing preferences. Autopay setup saves money each month. Then review your account dashboard to verify your plan details. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.